In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate videos from text prompts with Canva and RunwayML. We'll start inside Canva, open a design or create a new blank one in the format you want, such as a standard video canvas. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the option called Magic Media. This is Canva's built-in AI tool that lets you create visuals directly from text. Click on Magic Media to open its options. Once Magic Media is open, you'll see different types of content you can generate. Here, make sure you click on Video. This tells Canva that you want moving visuals instead of still images or other formats. Selecting video is important so the tool knows how to process your prompt. Now you'll see a text box where you can describe the video you want to create. Type in a clear, detailed prompt for the video you want to generate. For example, instead of writing a city, you might write a slow cinematic shot of a futuristic city at night with glowing neon lights. The more specific you are about style, mood, and movement, the better the results will match your idea. After you've written your description, click on the button to generate images. Canva will now process your prompt and create visual results based on what you wrote. Even though we're ultimately aiming for video, these generated visuals can act as reference material or inspiration for what you'll build next. Give it a moment to render and review what it produces. Once you've explored your Canva results, the next step is to move over to RunwayML. Open RunwayML in your browser and navigate to the Video Tools section. Here you'll see different modes and presets for generating content. Look for the option labeled Custom and click on it. Custom mode is useful because it gives you more flexibility to control how your video is created. Inside Custom, select the Video option again. This confirms that you're working with AI video generation rather than image or other media tools. With video selected, you'll see a prompt area similar to Canva's. Now, type in the video you want to generate. You can reuse and refine the same prompt you wrote in Canva, or adjust it based on the visuals you liked there. Add details about length, camera movement, lighting, and style if those controls are available. When you're done, you're ready to generate your AI-powered video from your text prompt in RunwayML.